Welcome to Elvira's Tours. Let's take a tour in Acapulco. Come with me. The city is one of Mexico's oldest beach resorts. The Chapel of Peace, located at the highest point of Acapulco, offers seaside views in a peaceful atmosphere. The Nahuatl name of Acapulco is Acatl one of the most beautiful bays in the world.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Releasing baby turtles into the ocean is one of the most wonderful experiences. San Diego Fortress, historical monument you must visit. These three places are just a little sample of the beautiful places you can visit in Acapulco. Come and visit Acapulco.